All right, so we've got this 16-gallon collapsible storage bin with lid. And as you can see, it's very compact. And, you know, it's also very, very durable. So that's amazing. But I just want to show you how quickly these can be put together. So put together and taken apart. So you're just going to open it like so. Then you're going to pull this open. And there is this knob right here that you just twist to sort of open it up. And then it sort of just, it clicks in here. So now it's locked into place. The bin is locked into place. You open this one up the same way, and you do the same thing here where you turn this, and it sort of just clips in here. You let it go, and it's locked in place. From here, we've got some added protection here. So to keep dust, moisture, you know, pests, all that stuff out, just put this on top here. And from there, we're just going to close this up like so. Close it up like so. And so, as you can see, very easy to put together. Amazing quality. And you can see this is going to be good for storage, whether this is in your room, storing toys in it. This could even be used as like a kitchen cabinet. You can stack multiples of these on top of each other at the same time. So all in all, amazing. Helps you stay organized in whatever way you need to use these. And what is it? Highly recommend.